Does your child have a great idea for a product or service? Well, welcome to the Young Entrepreneurs Succeeding Club, where we help students learn how to be successful in life and with their great ideas. Take Jonathan, for instance. He was 12 years old when he had a great idea on how to protect kids' sports shoes. We helped Jonathan build his shoe cover business, and he went on to win a $5,000 scholarship for his business plan. Or what about the 8 students who formed the business Dream Anacostia Productions? We want a stadium. We worked with them and helped them get a $4.5 million stadium built for their school. Now, we can't guarantee that you will get the same results as Jonathan or the DAP students. However, what we can promise you is that your child will receive the same instruction that they both received. So, if your child has a business or ministry idea, they can say yes to the Young Entrepreneurs Succeeding Club. We have the tools for their success. Check us out at bakingjunction.org/Yes Club.